Alright, I have not gotten around to putting a fan in here. I was playing around with this polk audio. I don't know what this polk is. It's like 100 watts. I've read some interesting reviews on them. I just try not to push it real hard. We found on this thing the standard Pro Logic was like the best. But it's just so shrill out of these Pioneers. And I've had the clips hooked up and they're even worse. And I'm going into this too. Here, I'm pushing this damn thing. This thing will do 130 watts per channel, supposedly. It is quite warm. I've been playing the Metallica and Justice for All album, which is a good album to test for bass and things like that. It's just so shrill. There's just too much treble. And I've rolled it all the way off. And it's just not happening for my ears. I am just... these speakers produce plenty good bass on a 70s stereo. But I think this amp is from 2006, something like that. Like $1,300. It was new. And I have no idea why in the hell somebody would spend that kind of money on this thing. Because it's not fun to listen to. There's nothing cool about it. It's very sterile. But anyway, maybe it's just my ears and my taste. I don't know. But I'm going to pull it out of here and put something else in its place and do some more testing.